Today we are going to take a look at some of the most amazing usable tools. So, without any further ado, let's get right into it. Ninth tool. Wolfcraft Mini Clamps. The Wolfcraft Mini Fast Clamps are ideal for fine and precise DU work, where controlled and precise pressure are essential. The clamps have an easy release button that allows for efficient work process. The 30mm clamping width is perfect for those more delicate tasks. And its innovative ratchet ensures even clamping pressure. Eighth tool. Hilti Battery-actuated Fastening Tool. The Hilti Bx3 ME2 is our second-generation battery-powered fastening tool for mechanical and electrical trades. It's combustion-free, requiring no powder or gas, and entirely powered by our existing Hilti 22-volt lithium-ion batteries. The Big3 ME offers lower recoil, reduced noise and fewer nail jams to make you even more productive. It's ideal for low-noise operation to allow work during restricted hours or in sensitive environments like hospitals. And by eliminating drilling, you get rid of dealing with silica dust. This second-generation tool is up to 30% faster and has increased battery power capacity compared to its predecessor, the Big3. ME is smart using the tool's built-in Bluetooth and Hilti Connect app. You can track the number of fastenings, locate the tool on the job, and even troubleshoot issues on site. Seventh tool. Hilo TP1 Stairs Platform. The TP1 Stairs Platform, up the stairs we go. Painting walls, hanging decorations, changing light bulbs, checking smoke alarms. Normally you'll only need a household ladder to do all these jobs around the home. But it's a different story when it comes to hallways. Apart from the heights involved, tight layouts and space-saving stair designs with narrow landings can make many jobs more difficult. How about setting up a ladder? Don't even start. We've now come up with a safe and clever solution to the problem. The innovative TP1 Stairs Platform, which has been designed to cater for the needs of DE enthusiasts. TP1 can be used as a working platform or as a base for all Hilo folding steps and stepladders with up to 4 steps. A non-slip working surface integrated into a sturdy aluminum frame system offers a firm footing. This versatile product comes pre-assembled for immediate use, both inside and outside the home. Sixth tool. Ridgid Planer. The Ridgid 13-inch corded planer has a 120-volt 15-amp motor that delivers 9,000 RPM for maximum power and continuous operation. It features a 3-blade cutter head with quick-changing, dual-edge blades that are reversible and self-aligning for a smooth surface with minimal blemishes. The multiple depth features help you achieve your desired depth, and the 13-inch wide feed capacity is great for planing large stock. Fifth tool. Smith's TwoStep Knife Sharpener. The handy pocket-sized two-step knife sharpener from Smith's is perfect for achieving a razor-sharp edge on standard edge knives. The sharpener features a coarse slot for dollar damage blades and a fine slot for light honing and touch-up. Select the slot do you want to use and hold the sharpener firmly on a flat surface. Insert the knife blade and pull it through the slot from heel to tip 5 or 6 times. Follow the curvature of the blade as you pull to use the other slot. Flip the sharpener over and repeat the process. After use, clean the sharpener with a damp cloth. Do not rinse the sharpener with water. Store the sharpener in a dry place. Fourth tool. Dewalt Stud Finder. Introducing the revolutionary stud finder from Dewalt. Featuring innovative center find technology to locate the center of the study, not the edges, saving you time with its circular sensing plane. The stud finder is raising the bar when it comes to accuracy. It sensors up to 1.5 inches of depth to studs, even if it's held at an angle, and recognizes wood, metal studs, and live AC wire. Third tool. Cobra Pro Toilet Auger. The Cobra Pro manual toilet auger is designed with the professional plumber in mind. This handheld telescoping toilet auger can be used to clear clogged toilets reaching up to 6 feet. It features rugged, ergonomically designed non-slip handles and rust-proof plated tubing with a vinyl boggart to prevent scratching the half-inch. Tricore cable has an open hook end, extending to 6 feet with the push of a button. The Cobra Pro manual toilet auger is a convenient, quick solution to a pesky clogged toilet. Second tool. Wolfcraft edge clamps. The edge clamps from Wolfcraft can be used for fitting edging strips or veneers, as well as point clamping on a surface, example, profile of a cupboard door. It also extends the application range of bar clamps. For attaching edging strips or veneers. It has 30 kg clamping force. Compatible with Wolfcraft one-hand clamps and screw clamps. First tool. Korky ProGrade fill valve and toilet flapper. Designed to fix slow refilling, running, and noisy toilets. The Korky ProGrade toilet fill valve is more than 2 times quieter than any other fill valve engineered for strength. The Korky ProGrade performs as well as brass and is designed to perform better in high-pressure homes and properties. The Korky ProGrade valve has a wide range of adjustment to fit all brands, and the innovative twist lock adjustment makes installation easy. The refill adjuster delivers the right amount of water to the bowl to maintain original performance and prevent water waste in all toilets. The Korky ProGrade replaces old technologies such as POL. The internal float is protected to prevent mineral buildup and float hang-ups. This kit also includes the long-lasting Korky Plus flipper, made of chemical-resistant thread rubber for a superior seal and durability. We hope you like these fantastic tools. Do thumbs up the video and subscribe to the Top 5s HD so you can watch such informative videos regularly.